Welcome to Dharya Veda. The today's topic is third chapter of a Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana included in Besha Chatushka, that is nothing but the Aragvadhadiya Adhyaya. So this is the chapter of external applications. Bahir Parimarjanartha, different kinds of a lepas has been explained in this chapter. So points included are Bahya Parimarjanartha, 32 yogas. The different kinds of a lepa prayoga has been explained. We can say it as the Ayurvedic dermatology or Ayurvedic cosmetology is included in this chapter. So iti hasmaha Bhagavan Atreya, as Atreya Bhagavan Atreya said. Now we are going to explain this chapter. So first 6 yogas, what are the first 6 yogas are Aragvadaha sa Edagajaha Karanjo Vasa Guduchi Madanam Haridre. So the first line includes these kind of drugs Aragvadaha sa Edagajaha Karanjo Vasa Guduchi Madanafala and Haridra. And second yoga is Shrahvaha Suravaha Kadiro Davascha Nimbo Vidanga Karavirakatwaka. So second yoga concludes the Vishishta dravyas like Shravyaha, Surahva, Kadira, Dhavala, Nimba, Vidanga, Karavirakatwak. And third yoga Grantischa Borchau, Lashunaha, Shirisha, Salomasho, Guggulu, Krishna Gande. So these are the third yoga dravyas. Faninjako, Vatsaka, Saptaparno, Piluni, Kushtam, Sumanaha Pravalaha. So these are the dravyas included in a fourth yoga. So here Sumanaha Pravalaha, the means is the fresh leaves of the tender leaves of the jasmine, the Mallige, what we call. So here we shouldn't consider as a pravala is one of the rasa dravya, not like that, one of the ratna, not like that. Sumanaha Pravalaha means the tender leaves of the jasmine. And fifth yoga Vacha, Harenu, Trivruta, Nikumbo, Bhallataka, Gairikam, Anjanam cha. So these are the drugs which are included in the sixth yoga. Next, fifth yoga. So next sixth yoga. Manaha Shilale, Grahadhuma, Ela, Kasisa, Lodra, Arjuna, Musta, Sarjaha. So these are the sixth yoga dravyas. So what should we do by this kind of a dravyas? How to prepare the lepa? So next, method of use and indication of this lepa. Though any kind of here now we are going to take a first yoga. Aragvada, Edagaja, Karanja, Vasa, Guduchi, Madana, Haridra. We need to do the paste of them and we need to do the procedure and we need to prepare a lepa and we have to apply. So how to prepare this lepa? Ityartha Rupair Vihita, Shadete Gopitta Pitaha, Punareva Pishtaha, Siddhaha Param, Sarshapa Taila Yukta, Churna Pradeha, Bishaja Prayojya, Kushtani Krichrani, Navam Khilasam, Shureshaluptam, Kitibam, Sadhadru, Bhagandara Arshamsa Apachim, Sapamam Hanyuhu, Prayuktastva Naranam. So we have to prepare the lepa like Ityartha Rupair Vihita, Shadete. So we have get the 6 type of a yoga. So when we are using a particular yoga for particular condition, for a kushtartha or any kind of a disease, we need to take the dravyas of these one yoga and we need to pound them in a powder form. Then we need to add a gopitta and we need to give a bhavana or we need to mix them thoroughly to prepare a pishta, to prepare a bolus of that kalka. We need to prepare a kalka. Siddhaha param. So now we have prepared a pishta or a lepa or kalka. Sarshapa taila yukta churna pradeha. We need to add a sarshapa taila to the either to the lepa or we need to apply a sarshapa taila for the person who is going to, we are going to apply the lepa. We need to do the massage by the sarshapa taila. Then we need to apply the lepa. So where and all this lepa we need to, these kind of a 6 yoga they have mentioned and the method is mentioned. So where and all we are administering these kind of a lepa or applying these kind of a lepa is Kushtani Krichrani. In the chronic kushta, chronic skin disorders, we need to apply any of these suitable yoga and Navam Kilasam, the Kilasa, which is a newly originated Nava Kilasa. Kilasa is a type of skin disorder. And Suresha Luptam, if the hair fall is there, if the alopecia is there in the patient. Kitibam, if the Kitiba Kushta is there. Dadru Kushta is there. Bhagandara, in case of piles. Arsha, in case of that is also piles. And Apachi, the Puti Mamsa development is there. Then Pama, the Pama Kushta is there. In these kind of conditions, Hanyuhu, for the removal of these kind of skin disorders or any kind of piles and all, we need to apply these kind of lepa. So as we study Aragvada Sa Edagaja Karanja Vasa Guduchi Madana Haridra. Here we are looking at the dravyas which are Kushrahara also, Kandugna also, and also the Kandugna is nothing but the one which removes the Kandu or that is itching, and also the Raktastambhaka dravyas. So where and all we can apply this in case of a skin disorder, like already told that Kruchrani Kushtani, in case of a severe kind of a disorders, acne are there or urticaria is there, in case that kind of a situation we need to apply this kind of a we need to prepare this lepa and we need to apply it. And Kadira, next is Kadira, Nimba, Vidanga, Karavira, Katva, Shravya and Surahua. These are the best Varanya Dravyas, the one which corrects the distorted complexion. So any kind of a skin disorder is there, we need to apply these kind of things. And here like we need to study the nature of that drug and we need to apply where that nature is needed. That's it. And next seventh one is the Kushtadi Lepa. The Lepa which eradicate the many kind of a skin disorder is Kushtadi Lepa. So if a patient complaining acne, if a patient complaining as the itching over the skin or different kinds of breakouts or any kind of a Kushta, we have the Sapta Mahakushta or Rupa Kushta, Kshudra Kushta, we can administer this kind of a lepas. So what is the Kushtadi Lepa? Kushtam, the drug Kushta, the Sasaria Lappa and Haridra, Surasam, Patolam, Nimba, Ashwagandha, Suradharu, Shigru, Sarshapam, Tumburu, Dhanyavanyam, Chandam, Chachurnani Samani Kuryat. So we need to prepare the churna of these kind of drugs. What are those? Kushta, Haridra, Surasa, Patola, Nimba, Ashwagandha, Suradharu, Shigru, Sarshapa, Tumburu, Dhanyavanya, Chanda. So we need to prepare the churna of these drugs and tais takrapistaihi tat takrapistaihi pratamam shariram tailartam mudvartayitum yatheta tena asya kanduhu pidakaha sakotaha kushtani shofascha shamam prajanti. So how to apply this? We have prepared the churna of all the mentioned dravyas. And how to prepare the lepa? Tat takra pishtaihi. So we need to add a takra, the buttermilk, and we need to prepare the pishti or the lepa. And prathamam sharira tailaktam urdvartayitum yatheta. Prior applying of this lepa prepared from the dravya and the takra, we need to apply a taila, maybe a tila taila or a sarshapa taila of the body of the patient. Udvartayitum, we need to massage over the body opposite to the hair follicles, the taila, and after that we need to apply this and do the udvartana. Again the powder or a pishti has to be rubbed against to the hair follicles. Then what we will get the falashruti, the effect of this udvartana by this Kushtadi Lepa is tenasya. By doing this, Kandu, the itching, Pidakaha, the different kinds of acne or different kinds of breakouts, Sakotaha, the kota, the one of the skin rashes, Kushtani, different kinds of these kinds of Kandu itching or acne or the boils or the breakouts will subside. Also Shofascha, any kind of a swelling is there due to the Kushta. The swelling due to the Kushta is there, Shamam Brajanti, it subsides that. And also so eighth one, Kushtadi Churna. Again previously we have studied Kushtadi Lepa, now Kushtadi Churna. So what are the drugs included in this Churna? Kushtam, Amruta, Sangha, Katam Kateri, Kasisa, Kampillaka, Musta, Lodraha, सौगन्धिकं सर्जरसो विडङ्ग मनःशिलाले karavirakatwak. So these are the different kinds of a dravya included in the kushtadi churna. We need to prepare the churna of these drugs. And tailakta gatrasya krutani churnanyetani dadyad avachurnanartham dadruhu. So how to apply this kushtadi churna over the body? Before applying or before doing the avachurnana, the sprinkling of the kushtadi churna over the affected part, we need to do the tailakta gatrasya, that is nothing but the oil massage to the affected part of the body, and we need to do the sprinkle, or we can do the udvarthana. So by that we will get the results, like where we need to indicate dadruhu in case of a dadru kushta is there, so kanduhu if in case of a severe itching is there due to any kind of a reason, and kitibani, the kitiba kushta is there, pama is there, vicharchika is there. So these kind of a condition we can what it does, chaiva tataiti shantim, it does the shanti, it subsides the these kind of a skin disorder. This is the kushtadi churna. Ninth one, manahashiladi pradeha. Manashila is one which is very helpful for the skin disorder or a good complexion promoter. So manahashiladi pradeha, manahashilale marichani tailam arkam payaha kushtaharaha pradehaha. So the manashila and maricha in a taila, tila taila or sashapa taila, we need to apply for the body, or and payaha arka kshira, we need to prepare the pishti. We need to be very careful because manashila is a poisonous in case it is also a rasa shastra drug or a mineral origin drug, and arka kshira is a highly toxic one, highly irritant one, and marichani, it's also very tikshna dravya, and arka manashila taila is there. So that kind of preparation it is. And kushtaharaha pradehaha, this the lepa is the kushtahara one. Tuttadi lepa, the 10th one. Tutta is the rasa dravya, nothing but the mineral or metal origin dravya. So tuttadi lepa, where we will indicate this, or what are the dravya? Tuttam, vidangam, marichani, kushtam, lodram. So these are the 5 dravyas. So cha tadvat sa manahashilam syat. So 6 dravyas are there in this lepa: tutta, vidanga, maricha, kushta, lodra, manashila. So by these dravyas we need to prepare a lepa, either by doing the pishti with the takra or pishti with the water or a gulab jal. We have to prepare the lepa, and we need to apply the oil before applying the lepa, and we need to apply this lepa. It will clear the kushta, any kind of a skin disorders. 11th one, rasanjanadi lepa. So what are the dravyas? Rasanjanam sa prapunada bhijam yuktam kapittasya rasena lepaha. So rasanjana is nothing but the extract of the Berberis aristata, that is nothing but the daru haridra. So for that we need to add a prapunada bija, and we need to prepare the pishti by the kapitta rasa. So we can apply this for either for a eye disorder, either for any kind of itching is there in case of eye, we can apply the rasanjanadi lepa. The 12th one, karanjadi lepa. Karanja is the best known kandugna and kushtagna. So this lepa is useful in case of a kandu or any kind of itching, or a kushta, any kind of a skin disorder. So how to prepare this? Karanja bijai edagajam sa kushtam gomutra pishtam cha paraha pradehaha. So karanja bija churna and edagaja by adding the kushta churna, the sasuriya lappa churna. How to prepare the lepa? By adding the gomutra. We need to give a bhavana of the nothing but the continuous mardana, that yields the continuous mixing, that yields the proper and homogeneous mixture in a kalka form, that is nothing but the bhavana. So we need to give a bhavana with the gomutra, and that prepares the lepa. Cha paraha pradehaha, it is very prior or a choice of a medicine in case of the kushta and kandu. Aragvadadi lepa. Aragvada is also one of the kushtahara dravya. So this is also useful in case of a kushta, that is the broad classification of the skin disorder. So parnani pishtva chaturangulasya takrena parnanya anyatha kakamacha तैलाक्तगात्रस्य नरस्य कुष्ठान् उद्वर्तयेष्वहन चदैश्च. So this is the paste, the pishti, the paste prepared by the parna, nothing but the leaves. Leaves of what? Parnani pishtva chaturangulasya. Chaturangula, that is nothing but the aragvada. Aragvada patra pishti in a takra, takrena. Pishtva takrena. In a takra, we need to prepare a pishti of the aragvadadi lepa. Parna anyatha, though another leaf is also there. What is? Kakamacha. Kakamachi patra paste we also prepare in a takra. We need to prepare a homogeneous mixture of aragvada and kakamachi patra and tailaktagatrasya. We need to do the abhyanga for the body of the patient where we are applying this kind of this lepa, and narasya kushtan, in the kushta patient we need to apply the taila, and after that we need to apply this, we do the udvartana by this lepa, so it relieves the kushta of that patient. So the 17th one is vatahara lepa. So what should we indicate in a patient complaining of vataja symptoms? Nothing but whether he may complain about the shula, or whether he may complain about the swelling or any kind of a disorder. So at that time we need to apply this lepa, that is nothing but anupamatsya amisha veshavar ushnaihi pradehaha pavanapaha syat. So if the person is suffering from the vata disorder, so at that time anupamatsya amisha, the meat of the anupamatsya, and what should we do? We need to heat it, and in a ushna avastha we need to do the pradeha, we need to apply the lepa. It acts as a vatahara. The 18th one, nothing but it is also vatahara lepa, second vatahara lepa. Sneha chaturbir dashamoolam mishrair gandaushna gandaushadhaischa anilaha pradehaha. So in case of a vata vriddhi symptom, whether it may be a shula or edema or anything, so what should we do at that time? Snehas chaturvidaha. So 4 types of a sneha. Dashamoola mishrair gandaushadhair. So dashamoola, we need to mix the dashamoola and gandaushadha, the aromatic drugs. We need to prepare a lepa by these kind of drugs. Anilaha pradehaha, it acts as a vatahara lepa. 19th one, udarashula nashaka lepa. If a person is complaining about the stomach ache, so at that time takrena yuktam yavachurnam ushnam saksharam artim jatari nihantyad. So we need to prepare a lepa or a paste by the takra having the yavachurna ushna. It should be in a ushna form, the sukoshna riti. We need to prepare a lepa. It should be contained with a sakshara. It should contain a kshara. So we need to apply over a jatara, at the region of a stomach or umbilicus. It will cure the udarashula. Next, the 20th one is vatavyadi haralepa. In case of any kind of a vatavyadi, we can administer this. Kushtam shatahvam savacham yavanam churnam sa taila amlam ushanti vate. So it is the lepa prepared from the kushta, shatahva, vacha, yava and churna. By mixing the taila, we need to apply a lepa. It acts as a vatavyadi hara. Next, the 22nd one, vata raktarthi hara lepa. So this lepa, the vata rakta is the disease which affects the smaller joint and will have the severe kind of a pain. So at that time, how to subside this kind of a pain is nothing but the vata raktarthi hara lepa. Rasna, guduchi, madukam, baledve, nothing but a bala and atibala, sajivaka, sarushabaka, payascha, grutam cha siddham, madhushesha yuktam, raktanilartim pranudet pradehaha. So what should we do here? We need to prepare a churna of rasna, guduchi, maduka, bala and atibala, jivaka and rushabaka. We need to add a paya and gruta. So we need to prepare a lepa and madhushesha yuktam. We need to add a madhu for that, and we need to apply over the affected joint, and it acts as a raktanila. Raktanila nothing but the vatarakta shulahara lepa. 23rd one, godumadi lepa. The ingredient is goduma and etc. So that's why godumadi lepa. Vate sa rakte sa grutam pradeho goduma churnam chagali payascha. So we need to prepare a godumadi lepa by the goduma churna and adding the ajakshira and gruta. Where we should apply this Vatarakta. In case of a Vatarakta, we need to apply this Godhumadi Churna. Next is Shiraha Shulahara Lepa. If a patient complains about the headache, so what should we apply over that? So Nata Utpalam Chandana Kushtayutam Shirorujayam Sagrutam Pradehaha. So we need to apply the paste prepared from the Nata, Utpala, Chandana and Kushta, which is added by the Gruta. We should apply over the head region or forehead region, which will subside the Shirahashula. 25th one, Prapoundarika Adi Lepa. The Prapoundarika and etc. Dravya Lepa, that is Prapoundarikam Suradharu Kushtam Yashtahva Ela Kamala Utpalecha Shirorujayam Sagrutaha Pradeho Loha Yeraka Padmaka Chorakaicha. So we need to prepare a lepa by the Prapoundarika, Suradaru, Kushta, Yashti and Ela, Kamala Utpala and Loha, Eraka, Padmaka and Choraka. We need to prepare a lepa by adding a gruta. We need to apply over the head region or forehead region for subsiding of the Shiroruja. 26th one, Pashvashula Nashaka Lepa. The pain in the flanks is the severe or a common symptom in almost all the disorders. So what should we do if the Pashvashula is there in a patient? At that time, Rasna Haridre Naladham Shatahve Dve Devadharuni Sitopalacha Jivanti Moolam Sagrutam Satailam Alepanam Pashvaruja Sukoshnam. So we need to prepare a Sukoshna lepa with the help of a gruta by adding the dravyas like Rasna, Haridradvaya, Nalada, Shatahva, Dve Shatahva and Devadaru, Sitopala, Jivanti Moola, and by the Taila, by adding a Taila, we need to apply this lepa over a Pashva region that it subsides the Pashvashula. 7th one, Dahashamaka lepa. If any kind of a burning sensation is there in the body, whether it may be related to the excessive pitta in the body or pitta javruna, or are concerned about the acne and all, if there is a persistence daha is there, at that time we need to apply this lepa, that is Shaivala Padma Utpala Vetra Tunga Prapoundarikanya Mrunala Lodram Priyangu Kaleyaka Chandanani Nirvapanaha Syat Sagrutaha Pradehaha. So we need to take a gruta, we need to prepare a lepa by Shaivala, Padma, Utpala, Vetra, Tunga, Prapoundarika, Mrunala, Lodra, Priyangu, Kaleyaka and Chandana and etc. Shitavirya Dravyas we need to take, and we need to prepare a lepa and we need to apply over the area where the burning sensation is there. That acts as a Dahashamaka. 28. Dvitiya Dahashamaka lepa, nothing but another lepa for a Dahashamanartha. Sita Lata Vetasa Padmakani Yashtahvam Indri Nalinani Durva Yava Samoolam Kushakashayoscha Nirvapanaha Sat Chalam Erakacha. So we need to prepare a lepa by the jala by adding a dravyas like Sita, Lata, Vetasa, Padmaka, Yashti, Endri, Nalina and Durva, Yavasa, Moola, Kusha, Kasha. We need to prepare a lepa and we need to apply. It subsides the daha. 29th, Sheetanashaka lepa. It subsides the excessive coldness. Some people will complain about cold feet, cold hand, cold palm and the chills. So at that time we need to administer this lepa, that is Shaileyam Ela Guruni, nothing but Agaru, Kushtaye Chanda Natam Tvak Suradharu Rasna Sheetam Nihantya Chirat Pradeho. So we need to apply a lepa prepared by these drugs, which will act as a Chira Sheeta Shamaka lepa. 30th, Vishagna lepa. If anti-poisonous, it acts as an anti-poisonous and any kind of a bite is there at that time. Visham Shirishastu Sa Sindhuvaraha. So lepa prepared from the Shirisha and Sindhuvara need to be applied over the bitten place or at the poisoned place we need to apply. 31. Svedahara lepa, one which subsides the excessive sweating or unusual sweating. Shirisha Lamajjaka Hema Lodraistvak Dosha Samsvedaharaha Pragharshaha. So we need to do a Pragharshana at the to the body by these drugs, which will subside the excessive sweda. 32nd one, the last one, patradi lepa. So patrambu lodra abhaya chandanani sharira daurgandhyaharaha pradehaha. So this is the sharira durgandhahara, the one which eliminates the bad odor of the body. This lepa prepared from patrambu lodra abhaya and chandana. It acts as the durgandhahara. Tatra shlokaha. On a summary, this chapter contains ihatrijaha siddhatam anuvacha dvatrimshatam siddham maharshi pujaha churnapradehan vividamayagnan aragvadiyo jagate hitartham. For hitartha of a jagat, to relieve the disorder of a patient, the puja jana, nothing but the maharshis, prepared 32 yogas in a form of churna or a pradeha mentioned in this Aragvadiya Nama Adhyaya. So, Ityagnivesh Krute Tantre Charaka Prati Samskrute Sutrasthane Beshaj Chatushke Aragvadiyo Nama Trutiyo Adhyaya. Thus ends the third chapter of Beshaj Chatushka, nothing but the Aragvadadiya Adhyaya.